The call to action button. Now, most event organizers, every time that they are doing like they have a concert, no, not even concert, they have a seminar, they will tell someone to write them on WhatsApp. They will maybe go to a website for people to go and do their registration there. This also has a lot of things, a lot of parts to do for us. The call to action button is something I want to talk to you about today. What do I mean by the call to action button? Every time that you have a flyer, there are some basic essential informations that is good that you add on the flyer. Like, just for example, plan to attend, plan, invite, anticipate. All those information has a lot of things to do. And even after you have done this, why is it that when someone does a business flyer and it says get to us on WhatsApp, and we do our own church flyers, we don't tell people to get to us on WhatsApp? Doesn't make sense, right? So it's as simple as that. Anytime they want to boast something, why not create a church? Obviously the website, so I don't want to dive into that now, but before moving that flyer out, make sure that you even create a Google link that you can receive people that want to attend their genius. If you cannot do that, do I'll be there flyers. Just like, because when you do this, you get people to follow up to come for the program. But most of the time, we just like design the flyer, and the flyer is out there looking all over, swinging. It doesn't make a lot of sense. So we need to be able to add this call to action button every time they want to do our flyers. First of all, by doing personalized flyers for the people that want to attend. Second step is creating a WhatsApp group just for that event. At the end of the day, you take all of these people and add on the church forum for them to do what? For you to follow them up. After you follow them up, they'll obviously come for the event just as people come for business seminars. And it also gives you a chance to talk to people, to follow them up, and eventually they'll come for your program. So we have to do this, because most of the time people design that flyer and put in overcome. We don't do follow up. We have a zero follow up thing. Just like every business has customer service, every church ought to have 24/7 customer service, counseling bot. So it is very, very essential that we consider having the call to action